You are welcome. This is ABC Creative Art TV. Please join me in this art tutorial as we draw the Perching butterfly using pencils on a piece of A4 white paper. Let's go. The pencils that I'm using for the drawing are 2B pencil for the light tones, 5B for the middle tones, and 10B for the dark tones. I also have the pencil dust, which I got by using a sharp razor blade and scraping the lead of the 2B pencil, and then the cutting board, which I will use as the work progresses to blend in the color some places so as to create a smooth flow of the tones in the shading. Let's continue. Please like the video. Subscribe also to our channel ABC Creative Art TV for amazing art content on video every week. You also drop good comments on the comment section so that YouTube can use the information to distribute the video to a wider audience. Remember also to share the video link with your family and friends so that they can also watch and also do the needful. That is, like, subscribe, and also make comments. Thank you. After watching this drawing on video, do also get your own art materials and then sit down and practice. Practice and practice again. Do not lose hope. You will surely get it right as you practice with concentration. I truly believe in your ability to get it done. Congratulations in advance. We are gradually coming to the end of this art tutorial, the Perching butterfly. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel ABC Creative Art TV for exciting, educative and learner-friendly art tutorials on video every week. Do also drop your comment on the video section of this channel. Please help us to share this video link with your family and friends so that they can also watch the artwork and feel this excitement. Then join in supporting us every week. From all of us at ABC Creative Art TV, we sincerely appreciate you for being there for us every week.